Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is dates roll or dry fruits roll. It's an Indian mithai and very easy to make. Before we move on, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Do like, comment and share. So let's get into the recipe. Take 1 cup of dates and remove the seeds and add them to a mixer jar. Pulse these dates for a few times and they're ready. Now keep this aside. Into a pan add 4 to 5 tablespoons of poppy seeds, that is khuskhus. Dry roast the khuskhus or poppy seeds for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now transfer this to a plate and keep this aside. To the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is clarified butter. To this add half cup of chopped nuts, mixed nuts. I have added almonds, pistachios and cashews. You can add whatever you like. Roast them on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. And once you get the nice aroma, transfer it to a plate. Now to the same pan, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. Now add in the dates. Now cook the dates on low flame till they turn soft. This will take some time. Once the dates turn soft, add in the roasted nuts. I am saving 1 to 2 tablespoons of the nuts to use later. Now add the roasted poppy seeds and save 1 to 2 tablespoons to use later. To this add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now fold in everything till well combined. And once everything starts coming together, turn off the flame. Now transfer onto a greased plate and allow it to cool down a little, but don't cool it down completely as it will become hard. So while it is still hot, roll them into any desired shape. I have made a roll this way. You can roll them into laddus or barfis, anything you like. Once done, keep this aside. Now, on a flat surface, sprinkle the leftover poppy seeds and chopped nuts that we had saved. Now, gently roll it over like this till it is evenly coated. And it's done. Now take a cling wrap or aluminum foil. Place the dates roll and wrap it this way. And now refrigerate this for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours of refrigeration, now cut them into rolls. This recipe is very easy and it does not consume much of time, and it's healthy too. So our amazingly delicious, rich, healthy dates roll or dry fruit roll is all ready to be served. This is perfect for people who are health conscious and prefer to stay away from refined sugars. And it's an ideal recipe for any occasions or celebrations and can be shared with family and friends. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, then do give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. And if you're new on my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe. And thank you so much for all the love and support. Happy cooking!